I'm Joe Kelley, president of Kelley Construction.
I'm Trent Kelley. I'm vice president at GCCM, third generation here at Kelley Construction.
What's going on? Good, buddy.
This is our project manager, Justin Singleton.
Hotel renovations are done from the top down. Every 2 weeks we take a floor offline, which means we take it out for construction.
Galt House is known for being a gem or a jewel of Louisville for so many years, and we're going to bring it back to its original luster.
So the level of completion on this floor is all of the furniture is in the rooms. Corner guards have been put on, all of the vinyl, all the wallpaper, everything has been done in the corridors. So basically we're closing out this floor with finishing touches.
Kelley Construction started in 1978, February, by my mother and father.
We were a smaller subcontractor who mainly performed concrete work. We've morphed and grown into a general contractor. Today we have a little over 200 employees.
So this floor here is 2 weeks behind the floor above us. So as you'll notice, the first coat of paint's been done. We're getting ready to put in ceiling tile here. That's what this grid is for. So they're gonna put in the drop ceiling tile here next. Then we'll put in lighting.
We're based in our home bases in Louisville, Kentucky, but we're a national company. Our transition from being a local-based Louisville company to a national general contractor and CM consultant was based on our local customers needed a national presence.
So the phase that we're on in this floor is paint. So we're painting the rooms, we're priming the rooms. We take out the old PTAC units, which is the air conditioning units, and we're putting in new ones. Well, they all have to be installed, they all have to be tested before they come back online. So that's why it's so hot and humid in here. So in my opinion, this is the most difficult job in the industry, is renovating an active hotel.
There is not just the Galt House as a customer, but every single room is a customer. You have a lot to watch and a lot to be considerate of when you're working in a situation like that.
So this is the third floor of the West Tower. This is the Willow Room. This is going to be kind of the crown jewel of this floor. It's going to be a huge event space that they're going to be able to rent out for dinners and weddings and any type of event.
Us being a family-oriented company, ownership's fully family, as well as the Galt House. I think there's always family dynamics that other family businesses can understand.
My son, he wants to come and work with me every day, so he definitely has an itch for it, but we'll see what comes.
So we're going to walk into the Jockey Silks bar. It's obviously going to be opened up and expanded and made more modern. So basically from the back of this wall, the bar used to be there. Now it's going to be here. And then all of this is going to be open. This is going to be all open with TVs, a wall. It's going to be kind of a breakout area. It's going to have glass all down through here. People can see into the space. All of this was just wide open event space. This is actually going to be restaurant seating. We're going to have a very large pizza oven. Guests are going to be able to get pizza made right here on the spot. You're going to be able to see it made. It's going to be pretty neat.
It's been a true honor for Kelley to get this project and be a part of this cool historic renovation.
Al J. Sneeder Company is a synonymous family with Louisville, Kentucky. My father, I think, actually knew him a little bit. I didn't ever get to meet him, but as a contractor, it was certainly exciting to be able to put our name on this renovation project. We're certainly extremely proud to be a part of it.